Hello, FreeCAD folks. Just a quick tip on something that's often overlooked in the program. In each of the workbenches, I'm in the part design now, you've got all these tools. And they change when you change workbench. Whether you go to the draft workbench, a whole bunch of different tools there. If you're in the sketcher doing a sketch, there's a whole bunch of tools there. If we do a new sketch, you can see all of our sketch tools appear. But there's one icon that's always present, that is often overlooked, that is extremely valuable. It doesn't matter what any of these tools are. If I click on this little arrow with the question mark, what's this? I get an arrow with a question mark, and as I move it over, it changes. Red circle if there's nothing for it to show me. But if I pick any tool here, and I click it, it's going to open my web browser, and it's going to open it to a document page on that tool. Sketcher B-spline increased degree. The documents, examples, walk you through how to use the tool. And it doesn't matter what tool it is and what workbench you're in. Let's go back here to FreeCAD. I'll close out of the sketcher. Let's go back to the draft workbench. Lots of strange tools in here. Most of them you probably have never tried, but if you ever wonder, find this. What's this? And what's this? What's this? Supplement highlight. Supplement highlight. What? Again, it's going to take our web browser and it's going to go right to the document page. Draft supplement highlight. And it's going to tell you exactly what it does and how to use it. So there you go. Spend a little time when you're in FreeCAD looking at some of these different tools and finding out what they do with the What's This icon. Hope you found that useful.